I am extremely bullish on XRP, but I don't have to buy XRP. You know why? Because I can earn it. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn XRP as well. So if you're interested in doing that, I want you to lock in with me. You know how you do that? Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto platform review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead. Let's jump right into it. Everybody's talking about XRP. They're talking about the stable coin. They're talking about the functionality and the utility of XRP, the micro payments, the regulatory developments that could be favorable for XRP, the worldwide use of XRP becoming a real thing. There's a lot of reasons for you to be excited about XRP or if you are in this crypto space, right? And I'm even going to pull up some articles where there are several analysts that are talking about why XRP is on a bull run and how this bull run can extend into 2025 and beyond. So if you're excited about it, this is the video for you. But I'm not like most other people, and you guys know that. I participate in the passive income crypto space. Yes, it's very high risk, but I love it because it's very rewarding and it's very fun for me. Now, I have to let you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor and I don't give financial advice. Nothing in any of my videos should be considered as any type of financial advice. I'm just showing you guys how I'm participating in this cryptocurrency space, and I'm showing you what's working and what's not. So hopefully you guys get a lot of value out of this. So I want to show you guys what these analysts are saying. Then I'm going to jump right into how I'm earning XRP every single day. So let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. All right. So if you go into my screen right now, I have these articles pulled up and it says right here that there's an analyst that's saying that XRP holders will be some of the richest people you know. And he's telling exactly why in this article, which is absolutely phenomenal. If you're holding XRP, that article should make you really excited. Now, I'm not going to dive deep into why he says they should be some of the richest people you know, but I'll put the link to this article in the description of this video just in case you want to check it out for yourself and see the reasons why he's saying that. Now, there's another article that I had pulled up and there was a bullish forecast, right? XRP targets 800% gains. This is absolutely phenomenal, guys. 800% gains. This is people are going to be really excited about this if they're holding XRP right now. Are you a holder of XRP? If you're holding XRP, I want you to get in the comments, right? Get in the comments and let us know that you're holding XRP. You don't have to tell us how much you're holding or anything like that unless you really want to. But I want you guys to let us know if you're holding XRP and if you're bullish on XRP. And if you're not bullish on XRP, put that in the comments too. If you see somebody that says they're super bullish or they're not bullish and you don't agree with them, I want you to jump in the comments. Maybe y'all could go back and forth. The engagement is everything in this online space, right? I just want to see you guys engaged and talking about things that really matter in this space. Now, there's another article here that says a crypto analyst that says that on-chain data is flashing bullish signals for XRP. Right? And this was just published today. So I want you guys to see that there's some phenomenal predictions on the price. There's some phenomenal expectation. There's a lot of great market sentiment around XRP. So this thing can really go through the roof. Now, as I promised, I'm going to show you guys how I'm participating and how I'm earning XRP every single day. The way that I'm doing that is with a platform that's called Neolic. Sometimes I call it Neolic. It doesn't matter the pronunciation as long as this thing is working and paying out great for me. Now, I want to let you guys know that I love the way that this platform is performing, and it has been performing well for me, and I'm going to continue to rock out with this platform. In fact, on this video, I'm going to up the ante. I'm going to increase my stake in this place where I'm going to be earning more and more XRP, and it's using their AI software to actually be able to do this. This is phenomenal, guys. I love the way that this platform is working so far, and I'm excited. I've introduced a couple people to it, and other people hit me up and said, Anthony, I love the way this platform is working. Thank you so much for introducing me to this platform, and we want to see where it's going to go. As I told you, this is still the high risk space, but I like the way that this is going. So let's jump into it. So this is actually the dashboard of the back office of the platform here, and I wanted to show you guys my participation and how I'm doing that. On my last video, I showed you guys a lot of information on that, the last video that I did that featured Nihilik, but this video is going to be very helpful as well. So let's jump into the Limina software, and what I'm going to do is go down to the Limina AI software. Now, this is a little different than the way you normally participate in the space, because normally you can just go in, jump in, and put in as much as you want. With this one, it forces you to start at $25. Everybody starts at the same level of $25. Now, if you want to go to more, to earn more, then you have to upgrade your level till you get to the level that you want. And I'm going to click on this AI so I can show you where I am right now. So I got in to test this AI out. I started at the 25. I upgraded all the way up to the point where I believe I am, let me see, I am up to $350 in here, where I am earning 0.7% every single day. So it's at 0.7% every single day, and this is Monday through Friday. So my accrual is $2.45, and ROI is 70%, right? So this is the total ROI will be is 70%. So I'm getting the 7.7% per day. But look, here's what I want to tell you guys. I have a lot of XRP in here. I'm earning XRP, as you can see this though. I'm earning XRP. This is what I'm earning from my stake in here. But I'm not going to use XRP to upgrade this. I'm actually going to use my tether. So if you're in here and if you were in my position, you would come in to upgrade. You could choose your payment method. I'm not going to pay what my XRP is in here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to withdraw this XRP to my private wallet. Okay. I want you guys to get what I'm saying. I'm going to withdraw this XRP to my private wallet. And this right here, that the tether that I have right here, this is what I'm going to use to up the ante on my Limina AI stake, right? So I'm going to go ahead and change this to USDT. Now there's $1,080 in here. What I'm going to do is upgrade this. Now you have the choice to upgrade it 1x, 5x, 10x, 25x, or 26x in here. Well, I'm going to take this to the max, to the 26x, because this is going to put me at $1,000. I go from $350 to $1,000. Look at this, guys. Look how powerful this is. I go from 0.7% per day, Monday through Friday, to 1.6% per day from Monday through Friday. Then my accrual, it goes from $2.45 a day to $16 a day, Monday through Friday. So I'll be earning $16 a day, Monday through Friday on this, and that's a 160% ROI that I get off of this, which I believe is absolutely phenomenal. If you think this is actually pretty cool, let me know. But I'm going to earn this and I'm going to get paid out. My accrual is going to be XRP. Now you can change this to whatever you want. If you wanted to accrue Tether, Solana, Cardano, Binance Coin, Bitcoin, whatever you wanted to accrue, you could accrue that. I'm choosing to accrue XRP because I am bullish on XRP, and I really believe that. Now, it's going to cost me 650 USDT to take this up to $1,000. That's exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this button to upgrade 26x, right? So I'm going to go ahead and upgrade here, and I use my USDT to upgrade. Now, I am currently at $1,000. Now, I'm going to show you guys this here. I'm current at $1,000, 1.6 per day, $16 per day. So I've upgraded this. My next upgrade will be to 1,050, or I could 5x it and go up to 1,250, which I will still be earning 1.6% per day, and I will be up to earning $20 per day, right? So that's actually pretty cool at that level if I wanted to actually do that as well. Right now, I'm going to keep it at 1,000. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to withdraw some funds from this to my personal wallet so I can keep this safe in my cold wallet. And I can keep that for me as this XRP does its thing, right? So I'm accruing the XRP. Like I said, guys, you can choose whatever you want to accrue in. XRP is it for me though, right? So I'm excited about this because I just upped the ante on this. I'm earning XRP. I'm earning profit off of my money. I got my $1,000 stake in here, right? But that stake is my $1,000 stake. So I don't lose that. I just earn off of that. I earn my profits in XRP, guys. Are you really realizing how powerful this is? Right? Instead of me going out and have to buy it, I'm letting my money accrue XRP and I still get to keep my money. See, there's people going to take their crypto and they're swapping it for XRP. No, I'm actually taking my crypto, put it in here, letting this crypto earn profits. I take the profit and I still got my crypto. This is incredible, guys. Hopefully you're getting my thought process on this and how this is working. I've already went through a successful stake with this. Started with 1,000, earned all my profit. After the 45 days was up, then what they did was they paid me back my $1,000, right? I was able to withdraw my $1,000 and then go back in for another cycle if you want to. So look, guys, this is incredible. Man, I like the way that this is performing right here. So since you've seen me get this done, I've already got that taken care of. I'm $1,000 in the Limina AI. What I'm going to do right here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send some profits over to my wallet. It's time for me to do that. Guys, you always want to be secure and safe. If you earn profits in a platform, then you definitely want to send those profits over to your wallet. You do not want to leave that profit just sitting here without it doing anything. So totally, I'm earning $18.55 per day on here between all of my software stakes that I have. Now, I'm going to go in and I'm going to withdraw some of this out so I can put this in my wallet right now. Let me see. I got some Solana in here. I got some ADA in here, got some Tether. And of course I got some of this XRP that I have earned from the platform. So let me go ahead and actually get this out. So you see the withdrawal. Then what you're going to do is choose the one that you want to withdraw from. All right. So if let's just say if I wanted to withdraw from Tether, right? So I could go ahead and hit Tether. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the Tether TRC20 network. And I'm going to put in my withdrawal address. And then I'm going to put in my amount, which is going to be all. Then I'll put in my security PIN code. Then I hit withdraw. And they're going to send that over to my wallet. All right. So let me go ahead and do this now. I'm going to pause the video really quick just so I could do that. I don't want to expose any of my personal information. All right, so I got those two withdrawals already processed. And so you see the withdrawal for XRP, which I have this one, which is $1,084 of XRP, 475 XRP, a little over that, right? And then you have the Tether, which is 430 Tether USDT here that I have, $430. You guys know that's stable coin. So I have that as well. So this is what I have going on in the platform. Guys, I'm excited about this right here, that I'm going to have this in my wallet. This is pending right now. The withdrawals, they can take up to 24 hours. Let me give you guys that first of all. But most of the withdrawals that I have done, they usually take about an hour, no longer than 4 hours. They used to be much faster, but of course the platform is growing really fast right now. So I expected that to change. They used to be almost immediate. It was like, man, it was so fast. So now you see it went into pending. So I expected not to stay in the pending, but for a little while, and then it'll be processed. So usually it's no longer than 4 hours, and then it's actually processed and in my wallet. I'm gonna refresh just to see if anything changed on it really quick. But nothing's changed yet. So like I said, it usually takes about 4 hours, and then those profits are actually in my wallet. So guys, this is pretty cool. I'm excited about this. I'm excited about earning XRP and not having to buy it, and also still keeping my crypto. So and I can withdraw my crypto at the end of my earning stake. All right. So this is it, guys. You know how we play in this space. We play to win, right? I don't play to keep from losing. I play to win. That's just me, guys. And you know, as always, you know how I want you to do it, right? I want you to invest wisely. I want you to invest well. I want you to only invest what you're willing to lose. But you know, we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.